Actually, last 3 years we are doing this project. There's a drastic change in the approach towards the project, and every year the children are with new ideas and they're talking to him. So I think so more than me speaking about the project, the children will be the better people because since they are doing the project.
Very rightly said.
Correct.
Very
Yeah.
right.
So let us hear from them. Yes. Who would like to speak?
Tell your name before this.
Alright, I'm Rujul Gandhi from 10th standard. These are my teammates.
Good morning, my name is Anish Moite, I am from 9th B.
My name is Akshish Khirwadkar, I'm from 9th.
Good morning, my name is Nishant Apte from 9th.
Good morning, my name is Varat Kulkarni from 9th.
So our project, this is based on what was started by a sir, Sagar Mitra. So a few years ago, sir came and gave a presentation in our school regarding how much plastic is harming the environment. So all the students from 4th to 10th standard were affected by this new insight by sir. So after that our schools put up bins for the collection of plastic, since the main objective was that changing the people's mindset, because no matter how much technology we have, it's not going to work until people have changed. So the whole perspective was that plastic can be used. Of course plastic should be used, but plastic is not meant to be thrown away, because once you throw it away it is going to end up in the ocean or in some ecosystem harming the animals and all the other components. Instead plastic is meant to be collected and recycled. So we are having monthly collection by Sagar Mitra. All the students every week, we have instructed them to bring plastic from their homes, so that all of even their people at their homes know that we are supposed to collect plastic and bring it to school. So every month Sagar Mitra comes and collects the plastic from us. And what we have done to try to make it better is, students used to not participate as much, so we started saturation team performance audits in school, which meant that we audit how many students are constantly bringing them, and through the students, that is us, we go to them and convince them that hey, maybe you should bring it next time, you didn't bring it today, but maybe you should bring it next week. So as the students are getting these constant inputs and encouragement from their peers, more and more students have started to change. More and more students have started to bring plastic, collect plastic, and we just recorded how much we can make them change, how quickly we can make people change. Like some are fast to change, some are slow to change. How quickly we can make 100% students participate. Considering that at some point we need 100% population of the city and 100% population of the world to change.
You know, when they are collecting this plastic class-wise, every Wednesday they collect. Yeah, we have decided a day because on that day we have activity period where we can do different activities. So that time we won't disturb the teachers teaching. Keeping that in mind, we have different activities throughout the year. So you know, in this audit, it is so that if a particular class, even if one student doesn't get, then that class gets 0 marks. Otherwise, everybody gets. If everybody, there will be some who will get 100 out of 100. If they get even one plastic, it's okay.
Yeah, perfect.
But they have to get.
Yeah.
So if they don't get, then your class gets 0 marks. It's so much so that these children have attacked us also. That if one teacher doesn't get, the staff gets a 0 mark. So they are happy that they could give 0 marks to their teacher who gives them 0. Okay. So this is happening every Wednesday, and so each one of us, even if they don't come and remind us, each one of us reminds each other. Hey, tomorrow get on it, our students will give us 0 marks. At least this happens with the staff, and I think so it's happening even with the students. And the confidence level which I am seeing in the students, see, all this goes on, the project goes on, but the confidence as to how to convince people to follow the right path, that has been developed in the student, and that is more of my achievement. Then Sagar Mitra will go on, there will be many such projects which will come. But you can see the confidence at which they are standing over there and they are ready to talk to you. And this auditing and all, as I told you, last 2 years, Rujul has been doing this project from last year. So, you know, we have different National Science Congress, you know, there are many such projects which we have to do at different levels. So last year it used to be only month-wise. It was decided a particular date. Sagar Mitra gives us a timetable. You can see a timetable here.
Yes.
The collection date is given to us. So they come on that day and they collect. So it was, we used to remind the children 1 week before, chalo, you all have to get next week, this is the day. then each child from the class, whoever would get, they would form a line and there would be big commotion. But now it so happened that it's become very methodical and there's a structure given to it. So what these children do, there are 12 prefects actually. So then there are 12 classrooms in the morning shift and in the afternoon shift. So it's in the first period that is being done. So what these children do, on Wednesday they go to each class and they tell the students that tomorrow you have to get otherwise your class gets a 0 mark. So they go and on Wednesday morning, they do that on Tuesday and on Wednesday morning they collect it. They collect me, each one goes to, they have got, where is that record? You have to maintain the record here.
It's okay. It's
Okay,
okay.
so they have maintained a record where they go to the and only roll number wise. The one who hasn't got just raises their hand, and the other, if you now when I take you around, you will see we have got bins on every floor. Sagar Mitra bins. So and all these displays are there in our class and outside. So we keep constantly. So much so that there are small children who are not involved in this, like first and second standard. They tell their parents, why aren't we involved in this project? We don't want them to be involved in this. Because it's a very clean project saying that even if the child gets one plastic also, it's okay. You become a Sagar Mitra. Okay, and it has to be a clean, dry plastic got only from your homes. See, we are following even Honorable Modi Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We have got a timetable where my students every day one class goes and cleans. We have taken 1 kilometer radius around our school and every day one class goes and cleans that particular. Yeah, we have made a plan for every month. So we have got 24 classes, 12 in the afternoon, 12 in the morning. So 24 days are covered up. And then the remaining 4-5 days we keep it off. And then again on first we start. Because we also need, and then teachers are involved in it, peons are involved. So this way the 30 days gets carried out. So that is another thing, going and picking up the waste which other people have thrown. But there also my children are very particular. If it is plastic waste, they carry plastic bags with them and they say, no, plastic goes to our Sagar Mitra. So much so. And another thing is when they go to the restaurants, or especially like MacD and Coffee Cafe Day and all, those they carry it back.
Oh,
yeah.
very good.
So they carry it and they come and give it to us. So much so that even both of us, when we go, we carry our own when we go out. So, not a single piece of plastic from our end. Might be later on the crowd will follow us. But at present, yes, 22,400 students are involved in this. And so much so that they found out that 2,400 students plastic, and if each child gets the plastic of 1 kg, so it becomes 2,400 kgs, and it is almost 2.5 tons. Okay, so 2.5 tons means what they were telling me today morning. They were telling me, ma'am, do you know how much we are saving? So I don't know how much are you saving? Today morning you are telling me.
Regarding carbon emission.
Yeah, carbon emission and how much area and all. 1.5
kg.
So they have done their own calculations. Yeah.
Tell about the 5 kilograms of plastic, how much it saves? 5 kilograms of plastic if one family brings in the year, let us say. Even if they don't perform up to a very high level. It saves 1 square kilometer of soil or ocean. Why? Just 1 square kilometer of soil or ocean. So if one child brings 5 kilograms in a year, that's a huge portion.
First of all, a big hand for all the people.
Here are the teacher in charge. She is the coordinator, Mrs. Nilima Vyawari, and our supervisor, Mrs. Ila Varan.
Thank you. You also deserve a